Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's free lead system review video, I'd like to share with you a complete 100% done for you free lead system. I'm going to take you inside the members area here shortly and show you exactly how this unique system works. And first of all, I want to just say that it's more than a free lead system because it's 100% done for you, and you don't need an autoresponder because the autoresponder is built into the system and promotes for you on autopilot. There's also an additional income stream you can earn. You can promote any offer on autopilot within the autoresponder. Very simple and very beginner friendly to set up. I'll take you inside the members area shortly and show you how you can set that up in literally 1 minute. There is a potential and an opportunity to earn unlimited $6 commissions. It's totally optional, not compulsory, but if you do want to do that, you can earn another additional income stream, and I'll show you some income proof on how that works as well. There's a Facebook group with 46,000 members, so you're going to get all the help, support, and training that you need. And if you'd like my help, my email address will be in the description as well. And it's totally free to join. There'll be a link in the description that will take you through to where you can you get an email with a username and a password. So the first part of the system is the lead capture page that they give you, and that's this one here. So you'd have to create any lead capture pages, you'd have to create any email follow-ups, everything's done for you. You just get one link to promote this lead capture page here. There's traffic training in the system itself. I'll give you my best 5 free traffic sources that I use at the end of the video. So you just promote this page here. And if you want to join the system, this link will be in the description. Just put your email into there and you'll get an email with, put your email address in there and you'll get an email with a username and a password. That'll then take you into the members area here. Now, when you get in the members area, there's 3 simple steps just to follow. I recommend you watch the video here that just gives you sort of a brief overview by the owner. And then it really is very, very simple. All you're going to do is, well, first of all, watch the video. Step 2, enter your website below. So this window here is where you put an offer in. So we recommend the lead capture page. You recommend a low ticket offer. I promote an offer that's under $5 but has a monthly recurring commission coming in. So that's what I promote, to build up my membership database with that offer. So just recommend something. I don't recommend promoting anything high ticket because people are just looking for free leads. But all you do is just put the URL to your lead capture page in there, click update, and then what happens is the autoresponder messages that the system sends out for you on autopilot promotes your offer within those emails. So it's really quite a unique system and a done-for-you system where there's no monthly membership cost, completely free to join. You're going to generate leads, and I'm going to show you the leads shortly. And you can also promote excuse me, any offer you want. Now you can change your offer at any time. You can come into your members area, you can change that offer there. And the great thing about using the lead capture page here is you can take the free leads onto your own list through your lead capture page. And this will be your link here. This is your link. You're going to get your own personal referral link here. And you just promote that one link. So quite a unique system and very beginner friendly. Let me show you some proof of the leads. So the upgraded version is called Lead Lightning. And if you don't upgrade, then your leads will go into your free lead system. But because I've upgraded, I've paid a one-time $7 to upgrade. Again, not compulsory, just optional, but that opens up another additional income stream for you if you want to pay a one-time $7. So you'll see here the system so far has generated 184 leads in the top right hand corner here. This is 15 on this page. The leads are consistent, all the ones you see on this page here from the month of November. And then I'll just show you, if you do want to upgrade, I'll show you some proof of commission. So you go into your account, go into money, and then I'm going to blur out the members' information again for privacy. But this column here, this $7 purchase column here, is where the commissions are. So if I scroll down here, you'll see, I think there's about 24 here. I think it's $144 here. And you'll see 4 here have just come in November. These 4 here have come in the last month. So you've got an opportunity to earn either one income stream or 2 income streams with this program. And I'm going to give you my best 5 free traffic sources. I just use free traffic to promote this program. I use these 5 every single day. I'm going to pin this blog post that I wrote to the first comment below the video you're watching now, and my best 5 free traffic sources are in there as well. Also on the blog there are there's some more information on tools, passive income, buyers traffic, lead generation, blogging. So that might be of interest to you as well in looking how to make money online. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon. And I upload several new videos on how to make money online every single week. I've currently got over 1,000 videos on the channel. Several new videos every week, over 1,000 videos on the channel. If you've got any questions about free lead system or even lead lightning, please put those in the comments below and I'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. But it's free to join, so I just recommend you go to this page here in the description, and then all you do is just put your details in there. You're going to get an email with a username and a password, and then you can go inside the members area over here, and then you can have just have a little good look round. The top of it here, you've got a quick start, you've got training, your account, everything. So it's all the information's in that top bar along there, totally free for you. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.